Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best QC25 Ear Pads is probably one of the most overlooked aspects of headphone maintenance, but it significantly impacts your listening experience. Worn-out ear pads can lead to discomfort, reduced sound quality, and a less enjoyable listening experience. Today, we're diving into the world of replacement ear pads, exploring what to look for, and how to choose the perfect ones to revitalize your Bose QC25 headphones. Number 5. SoloWIT Earpads for Bose headphones, Black&Blue. These Earpads are designed to fit a wide range of Bose headphones, including QC2, QC15, QC25, and many more. They are a perfect replacement for your old ones. You can easily upgrade your listening experience. The package includes everything you need for a quick and easy installation. You'll receive the Earpads, scrims, a user guide, and even a plastic stick to help. It only takes about 5 minutes. Made with high-density foam and premium protein leather, these Earpads provide excellent noise isolation and enhanced bass. They will seal around your ears brilliantly, improving your listening experience. Give your expensive headphones a fresh new look and feel. Don't hesitate to replace your worn-out Earpads with these. It's a simple way to refresh your headphones. We are constantly working to improve our products. If you have any issues with your purchase, please contact us for a replacement or refund. We are here to help. What we like. This product boasts excellent noise isolation, ensuring an immersive listening experience. Installation is a breeze, taking only minutes. If you are looking to upgrade your listening experience with enhanced bass and superior noise cancellation, you should consider this. What people say. They are durable, comfortable, and provide quality noise cancellation like the originals. Super easy to install it and it fits perfect. They worked perfectly and fit like factory. Number 4. Aurivor Ear Pads for Bose QC25 2515-2 headphones. These ear pads are made with upgraded protein leather. It's softer and more durable, offering better resistance to wear and tear. This gives it a cleaner and more polished appearance. Crafted from custom-built memory foam, these replacement ear pads offer a plush, soft feel. You can enjoy hours of comfortable listening without causing ear pressure or discomfort. With our hybrid sealing techniques, we have eliminated the splitting issues. Perfect for daily, heavy use, whether it's during workouts, flights, or other intensive activities. This feature was newly improved since early 2024. These ear pads are meticulously engineered to maintain the original sound profile. This ensures that your listening experience remains just as the artist intended. No tools or specialized skills are needed for installation. You can enjoy a hassle-free process that gets you back to your music or calls swiftly. What we like. The tear-proof sealing ensures durability, perfect for daily use. It also preserves the original sound quality of your headphones. If you are a heavy user who wants a long-lasting replacement without sacrificing audio fidelity, then this is the one for you. What people say. These were identical in look, feel, shape, and build as the originals on the headphones. The instructions provided were simple and easy to follow both in how to remove the original and insert the new ones. Perfect fit, my ears were happy. Number 3. Krone Kalpasmos Bose QC25 2 Replacement Earpads. These Earpads are crafted from premium protein leather, offering an ultra-soft touch. The leather is designed to be anti-scratch and durable, ensuring they last for a long time. It is also resistant to sweat, oil, and cosmetics. Inside, there's a high-density memory foam core that molds to your ears. This design helps to block out external noise, improving your listening experience. The included dust-proof net keeps the headphones clean. Engineers have tested these Earpads across various Bose headphone models. They perfectly restore the original sound quality and maintain the noise-canceling features. You won't lose any of the original audio quality. Installing these replacement Earpads is quick and easy, taking only a few minutes. All the necessary tools and parts are included. It's a simple way to give your headphones a fresh new feel. These Earpads are compatible with many Bose wireless and wired headphones. This includes models like the Quiet Comfort 35-2, QC35, QC25, and more. Check the list to see if it fits your headphones. What we like. This product features soft and durable leather, ensuring comfort and longevity. The memory foam enhances noise isolation, improving your listening experience. If you want to restore the sound quality and noise-canceling features of your headphones, you should consider this. What people say. The installation was quick and easy, with the ear pads fitting perfectly on my Bose headphones. They're made from a soft, durable material that feels just like the original pads, if not better. Easy to install and a perfect fit for my old headphones. Number 2. YOCOWOCO Replacement Earpads for Bose Headphones. These replacement ear pads are designed specifically for a range of Bose headphones, including QC25, QC35-2, and more. They are a perfect fit, ensuring your headphones look and feel like new. Replacing your old ear pads is simple and quick. The installation process takes only a few minutes, and no special tools are needed. You can easily upgrade your listening experience. Made with soft protein leather and memory foam, these ear pads provide exceptional comfort. The ergonomic design enhances sound quality and effectively blocks out noise, making your listening experience more enjoyable. These ear cushions offer an affordable way to revitalize your Bose headphones. They provide excellent value, restoring your headphones to their original comfort and performance. If you have any questions about your order, please don't hesitate to contact us. We are here to assist you with any warranty inquiries or other concerns you may have. What we like. Installation is easy and quick, taking only a few minutes. The soft protein leather and memory foam provide a comfortable wearing experience. If you're looking for an affordable way to refresh your headphones and improve comfort, you should consider this. What people say. Perfect color match, khaki buff. Soft memory foam core and the protein leather, which must be a fancy way of describing pleather, feels soft to the touch like the original. Snaps in perfectly and secure. Seals well around ear and comfy. They fit just fine and feel almost identical to the original Bose pads. They conform to my ears and cancel noise well, and they don't get too sweaty or hot. They fit my headphones easily. Number 1. Krone Kalpasmos Replacement Ear Pads for Bose Headphones. These replacement ear pads are designed to improve the sound quality of your headphones. The unique construction enhances the airtightness, ensuring you get the best listening experience possible. Forget the traditional black. These ear pads feature a stylish gray pattern, making them stand out. They are soft, breathable, and designed for long-lasting comfort, taking great care of your ears. Experience enhanced noise cancellation with the high-quality memory foam. This feature helps to block out unwanted noise, allowing you to fully immerse yourself in your audio. A dust mat is also included to keep the inside clean. Replacing your old ear pads is a breeze. These replacement ear pads are easy to install, and the necessary tools are included. It's a quick and simple way to give your headphones a fresh new feel. These ear cushions are compatible with a wide range of Bose headphones. Whether you have wireless or wired models, these ear pads are designed to fit perfectly, including many popular Bose models. What we like. The unique combination of fabric and leather offers a distinctive look and feel. The memory foam enhances noise cancelling, improving your listening experience. If you want a stylish and comfortable upgrade that enhances noise isolation, you should consider this. What people say. Fit nicely and are as comfortable as the originals. They're very easy to install, come with new shims, there are a range of color options combinations, they're affordable, and very comfortable to wear. The fit is excellent and extremely comfortable. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.